Today we eat ravioli with sea breams, with pasta, with basil, with sauce, with sea fruits and some flakes of tomato. We need these ingredients: fresh pasta slightly flavored with some dehydrated basil, some sea breams that we will cut by sickles and we will insert in the inside. After, we need some sea fruits that we can choose as we prefer. Today we use some truffles and some small cannoli, but we can add also some mussels and some clams, and some seed pearls and some sea snails. We can add what we prefer. And in last we will finish it with a sauce of flakes of tomato. Now let's boil the ravioli in salted water. Let's put into the plate and let's season this dish with some tomato. We put it in the center of our ravioli. Let's put the sea fruits, and let's add a small part of sea bream, similar to the common filling of the ravioli. Let's complete the dish with some sea fruits. Now we will add also some small squids, slightly fried in the pan and cut at Oriental style, in order to better more and more our dish. Let's complete it with some dust of dehydrated tomato peel. Then we can add some dried tomato peels and a trickle of olive oil crude overall on the sea fruits.
Buon appetito.